Show that sigma r equals 1 to 2k plus 1 4 minus 5r equals minus of 2k plus 1 times 5k plus 1 where k is greater than or equal to 0. So I can write this as sigma r equals 1 to 2k plus 1 4 minus 5r, and that is equal to, so let me put down the formulas first, that will help. So sigma r equals 1 to n if you had r, sum to r terms, so that would be equal to half n times n plus 1. The other formula that we are going to use is, if you had sigma r equals 1 to n times 1, so it is just 1 plus 1 plus 1, up to n times, so that would give you n. So we are going to use these two formulas here. So I can write this as equal to r equals 1 to 2k plus 1 and then times 4, and then minus sigma r equals 1 to 2k plus 1 and then 5r, and this can be written as 4 because 4 is 4 times 1, so 4 outside, and r equals 1 to 2k plus 1, so then that can be 1, and minus 5 sigma r equals 1 to 2k plus 1 and then r, and that is equal to 4 times, see we had n here, so instead of n we will have 2k plus 1 and then minus 5 times, instead of summing up r, instead of n I'm going to put 2k plus 1, so half times 2k plus 1 and then multiplied by 2k plus 1 plus 1, so 2k plus 1 plus 1, or I can write it as 2k plus 2. Okay, so then I get that is equal to, I don't remove the brackets, sorry, because you see I have to express it as 2k plus 1, there's one of the terms, so I take 2k plus 1, keeping it outside the bracket, so and then I get 4 minus 5 times half times 2k plus 2. So, and see this one, the half and half, this goes away, so I can write it as, so I can write, I'll do it as a next step, so that will help, it'll be clearer, otherwise it's putting too many things. So that is equal to 2k plus 1 times 4 minus 5 out of 2 times, I can take 2 and k plus 1, so then the 2 and 2 cancels, and then I can write that is equal to, so I write here, so 2k plus 1 and then times 4 minus 5k minus 5, and that is equal to 2k plus 1 minus 5k minus 1, and that is equal to, taking minus outside, 2k plus 1 times 5k plus 1, and that is proved. So you could have said this is the left hand side, and you can say left hand side equals, and this is the right hand side of the equation, and that is equal to right hand side. So left hand side has been proven to be equal to right hand side. So that's it really. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for your time, and if you're interested in more maths problem solving videos, you can visit the channel at IPShamat147. Thank you.